Hi everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all? I hope that you people are pretty fine and doing very well. So, in today's video, I'm gonna share with you a lot of plus size skater midi dresses, and also I have shared knee length skater dresses. I hope you will enjoy these dresses. These are the basically solid skater dresses, or as you can say, midi dresses designs. I hope you will like these dresses, so don't skip the video, watch till the end. So friends, these are the beautiful bow with A-line midi dresses and waist belted, beautiful neckline and beautiful sleeves designs, and with the frills and shift dresses like straight A-line and beautiful with flared. Each design is different from each other. I hope you will enjoy these ideas. So friends, if you are new at my channel and want to see more designs, then visit on my channel once. There I have shared a lots of ideas related to plus size dresses for back-to-back videos. You can check them in playlist with the name of plus size dresses. I hope you will enjoy those ideas as well. If you like these dresses, then hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon for to get notification for my upcoming new videos. So friends, take care of yourself. Bye bye.